Hi Dollar Divas, welcome to Behind the Vanity. I'm Jessica. So today's video is kind of a couple of different things. So the first part of the video is a Marshalls walkthrough. I do have a new Marshalls that they built last year really close to my house, so that's super exciting. And I've found a lot of really cool things there over the last year or so. I did not purchase anything today, but I did also go to the Dollar Tree, and there was really nothing worth filming today, but I did pick up a couple of items, so I will share those with you as well after the walkthrough. And then today is also a giveaway announcement. It's been a little while, a couple months or so since I've done a giveaway, so I thought it was time again because I've collected a lot of things. So yeah, this video is kind of like 3 parts. So first of all, if you are new, I do hope that you will subscribe to my channel and become what I like to call one of my Dollar Divas. I do a lot of affordable beauty content, particularly a lot of Dollar Tree makeup and haul content. My Makeup and Celebrity Sunday series where it's like a get ready with me and we talk all things movie, celebrity, TV oriented. And I'm getting more into doing walkthroughs now. So if that all sounds good to you, definitely hit that subscribe button. Of course, if you're returning, thank you so much for returning to another walkthrough. I know I've done a lot of these lately. They really serve me very well. Of course, they're what you want to see me do a little bit more of the most. And lately with my voice issues that I've been having, it allows me to put content out there that you would like to see. And also to be able to film when I'm not home and get some content outside of the house. And to kind of reserve my voice a little bit with some of my current voice issues that I've been having. So it's all good. I think it's a win-win. Of course, I am working on other content similar to what I've done in the past. Have lots of ideas, so of course that will be coming as well. So without any more chit-chat, let's go ahead and get into today's video. So like I said, I did not purchase anything at Marshall's, but I did pick up a couple of things at the Dollar Tree, so let me show you what those are. So something that I do not have here with me, it's actually in my shower, I used it today, is I bought a new puff, and I tend to buy mine at the Dollar Tree. I feel like they've gotten better over the years too. So yeah, I just bought one of those little shower puff things. If I have a picture, I'll pop it up here to show you what I mean if you're not sure of what I mean. But yep, purchased a new one of those for myself. And when I went into my Dollar Tree today, I don't normally go into the Dollar Tree on a Saturday morning or like Saturday around noon-ish or so. I'm usually there like later in the day if I am. So I kind of stumbled upon these. They were right at the entrance and they were going quick. So I'm really glad I was able to pick up a couple of them. And they're actually t-shirts, like yes, t-shirts, which is actually this brand here, Anvil, which I have seen before at other stores. And the lady said that they're like, that these are shirts that are at like Walmart for like $4. So I picked up two. They're really, really soft. So I got a purple one and I bought size extra small. And then I also got this like teal shade. They had, these are adult tees. They also had like youth tees. They had like big tank tops. So I was very excited. Like I said, I'd never really bought shirts or anything like that at the Dollar Tree. Then I picked up another one of these polishing cloths. I love these. I have two already, and I've been so busy, I haven't been doing laundry as frequently, so I decided to pick up another one, and I decided to get the one with the blue stitching. The other two I have the pink stitching. So yes, I love these, love these, love these. Just what I'll do is like I'll cleanse my face, and then when I want to rinse off like a face mask or my cleanser, I'll just gently go around with this cloth. It's very soft, not irritating. It gets all the cleanser and stuff off of my hairline, and you can see the makeup get on it. So I love these. So yeah, this is something that I already have and wanted another one. Then last but not least, I got a couple snack items. These are just in the little checkout area. I love like chocolate covered pretzels because it's got that sweet, that salty, that crunchy, all that good stuff. So I saw these, I'd never tried them before. It's the Flips Bites. So I thought those would be interesting to try. And then again, another impulse buy. I love these. These are the Chex Mix Muddy Buddies, the peanut butter and chocolate. So I just went ahead and bought those. Of course, I have not dug into them yet. Probably keep them at work as like a quick snack or something like that, because sometimes I just need something. So that is all I purchased at the Dollar Tree. So now for the giveaway portion of the video. So it is a big container of goodies. There are lots of things in here. Pretty much everything is from the Dollar Tree, but there are a lot of brand names. And so what I'll do is I will pop a picture up on the screen so you can take a look at all the goodies. I will also have a picture on my community page in a couple of days, as well as on my Instagram. But just for a couple items that you would be getting, this Hard Candy Fox in a Box in Party Girl, Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder, a Hard Candy Plumping Serum, and many, many, many more things. I got Maybelline lipsticks and some eyelashes, and I've got a banana setting powder in here by Hard Candy. Like I said, I will have a picture up so you can see. So yes, lots of goodies. This is probably my biggest giveaway. I'm not really sure. But anyways, so the rules to enter. So I'm gonna keep the rules really, really simple. That seems to be just what works best. So the first rule to enter is you must be subscribed to my channel, and your subscriptions must be made public. That way I can see that you are in fact subscribed. The second rule is to like this video. The third rule is that you need to comment down in the comments section below of this video, #DollarDiva. That way I know that you want to be entered in the giveaway. And the fourth rule, and this one's very important, again, I always say this in my giveaways, I hate to always bring it negative, but if you don't want to subscribe to my channel, don't enter the giveaway, don't subscribe, unscribe, all that kind of terrible, awful, awful, awful stuff. So if you do subscribe and then unsubscribe, you will be banned from all future giveaways on my channel. And then the last thing, this is optional, but for an extra entry, that means you would have 2 entries in the giveaway, so it would double your chances of winning. Go over to my Instagram page. I'll have my Instagram handle down here below on the screen, as well as in the description box. Give me a follow on Instagram, and that will gain you an extra entry. And then also very important, in that comment on this video, make sure you put your Instagram handle. That way I know who you are. I will have these rules pinned in a comment down below, as well as in the description box. That way you can read them all that good stuff. So I will announce the winner on my community page August 21st, 2021. So the giveaway will close August 20th at midnight Eastern time. So good luck, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me. Whether you're new, whether you've been with me for a little while, a long time, thank you so very much. And I will see you next time. Bye.